When darkness falls, light awakens, and you can create something extraordinary. Let your creativity glow brighter than ever before. Discover the brightest glow-in-the-dark filament on the market. So all your tiny discoveries, all your moments of learning won't look ordinary anymore. It takes just one very special spool and one flick of the switch to bring your ideas to light.